Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles. What you're about to witness is one of the most shocking cases out of San Antonio, Texas. A young man accused of not one but two random stabbings that left the community terrified. Prosecutors claim he struck without warning, leaving behind a chilling trail of blood that ultimately gave him away. Now, this isn't just another courtroom plea. As you'll see, the defendant admits guilt to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, charges that carry up to 20 years in prison. But the real twist? His shocking words in front of the judge will leave you questioning his state of mind. Do you believe random acts of violence like this stem from deeper mental health struggles, or is it simply cold-blooded crime? Stick with us, because this case takes a turn you won't see coming.
All right, Mr. Cantu, why would you do such a thing?
I do.
Yes, why would you do this?
Just trying to end the world.
I'm sorry, what?
Trying
San
to end the
Antonio
world.
police say two overnight stabbings appear to be random crimes. However, both stabbings may have been the work of one man who struck the victims by surprise but left a significant clue behind.
It's there forever.
With serious trouble closing in on him, this 23-year-old man takes time to smile for our camera. He also told us this was his destiny. In handcuffs after two separate
2022 CR 11225, State versus Gregorio Cantu. Can I have parties announced for the state? Defense?
Your Honor, good afternoon. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Mr. Cantu.
Mr. Cantu?
Yes.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers received all discovery, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, sir, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Mr. Cantu, in each cause number, did you review the court's admonishments and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
In each cause number, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Gregorio, has anyone threatened you, Mr. Cantu, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury
Yes.
trial. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The cases will run concurrently, and there are no applications. What I can tell you, if the court finds that a weapon was used, the court will enter a finding of an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Do you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motion?
There have, Your Honor.
Then in each cause, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State in each cause number any evidence to support the defendant's guilty plea.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both cases respectively, Your Honor.
No objection, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it
Yes.
in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, yes, we're asking for that, Judge.
All right. Mr. Cantu, why would you do such a thing?
I do.
Yes, why would you do this?
Just try to end the world.
I'm sorry, what?
Try to end the world.
All right. So does he need to be evaluated for sanity?
Your Honor, it's been done. He has been rehabilitated, and this was our first hearing to come back. We discussed the different options, and it's Mr. Cantu's wish to go forward, begin the process of putting this behind him, considering the length of time this has been, that he's been waiting for this. And we appreciate the courtesy extended by the state in this generous offer.
So everybody believes he's competent and that he wasn't insane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Then in each cause number, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. The cases run concurrently. In each cause number, there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, a $2,000 fine, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification. And in each cause number, there should be no contact with the complainants. In each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, sir. When you're released from custody, you need to make sure that you go to the Center for Healthcare Services, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
San Antonio police say 2 overnight stabbings appear to be random crimes. However, both stabbings may have been the work of one man who struck the victims by surprise but left a significant clue behind.
That suspect has been arrested. Both stabbings happened on the southeast side of town. And as Katrina Weber tells us, police say a blood trail is what put them on the suspect's trail so quickly.
With serious trouble closing in on him, this 23-year-old man takes time to smile for our camera. He also told us this was his destiny, in handcuffs after 2 separate stabbings overnight. San Antonio police believe he attacked at random, first stabbing a 62-year-old man working outside this HEB in the 4100 block of South New Braunfels. They say he was emptying trash cans just after 3 this morning when he was attacked from behind and stabbed in the back. About 10 minutes later, they believe the same attacker struck again. A 54-year-old man sleeping at a bus stop near South New Braunfels and East South Cross was stabbed in his chest. Then, bleeding, he went across the street to a store for help. Both victims were taken to a hospital. When police found the suspect, they say he was bleeding too from a cut on his arm. Police say the suspect left a blood trail that led them in his direction, but they had to cover a lot of ground before they found him here. This is almost a mile away from that last stabbing scene. Investigators believe he walked the whole way, but after getting bandaged up by paramedics, he got a ride to jail. Police say he faces charges.
So, there it is. Gregorio Cantu receives 5 years in prison with concurrent sentencing and a deadly weapon finding attached. The court emphasized rehabilitation, but also made it clear his crimes will not be overlooked. Random violence in the community, especially involving deadly weapons, always leaves scars that go far beyond the courtroom. Now we have to ask, do you think justice was served with a 5-year sentence? Or should this case have carried a harsher punishment given the fear it spread across San Antonio? Let us know in the comments. We want to hear your take. And if you found this breakdown as intense as we did, don't forget, hit that like button, share this video with someone who loves courtroom drama, and subscribe to Courtroom Chronicles for more shocking legal showdowns. Because trust us, the next case is even wilder.